Hi everyone, I'm Isha. I'm going to share with you a little bit more information about aircraft systems engineering, a program that we actually collaborate with SIA Engineering Company to offer to students interested to become an LAE. As you know that Singapore is currently in the leading position as a one-stop service for aircraft maintenance, with Changi Terminal 5 being developed by 2030 to increase the capacity of servicing visiting tourists, business passengers, and aircraft. More maintenance engineers will be required to meet this demand. This degree focuses on training aspiring students to become licensed aircraft engineers, contributing towards aircraft maintenance, repair, and overhaul activities in Singapore aviation industry. At its core, aircraft system engineering is an aerospace engineering degree. Beyond becoming a licensed aircraft engineer, graduates can actually take on roles as cabin, technical service, repair development engineer. We have actually developed this degree program incorporating SAR 66, B1 and B2 approved basic training course into the degree program with our partner SIA Engineering Training Academy. SIA Engineering Company has extensive experience in providing maintenance, repair, and overhaul services to more than 80 international airlines worldwide. Upon passing all the SIA Engineering exam, students will be awarded the Certificate of Recognition by SIA-EC, recognized by CAS that the holder has actually completed a SAR 147 approved basic course. So as a result, the aircraft system engineering graduates will be able to acquire their maintenance license in a shorter time as compared to their peers. As you can see from the diagram here, the typical training duration for someone with a university degree, they need to go through 4 years degree study at either NUS, NTU, or SUTD. Upon graduating from the degree program, they then further their licensed aircraft engineer training program at any MRO organization, and that will take them 44 months. Going through SIT ASE degree program, you will spend full 3 years with us, completing a degree ASE with SIT, and upon graduating from this degree program, you need only to further another 28 months of training with any of the SAR 145 maintenance organization, and that will basically shorten your training duration by 16 months as compared to your peers. This degree program has actually gotten approval from CAS, which is a registration certification body for licensed aircraft engineers, and also Economic Development Board, key economic agency promoting the aerospace sector. For this degree program, it is actually quite a challenging degree program, because if you can see from the curriculum structures, we have actually packed in 3 years of studying without much break. In the first year, we will be covering mostly fundamental programs, and only into the second year and the third year that the student will actually get access to more aircraft-related modules. So as I mentioned earlier on, we have actually embedded both B1 and B2 curriculum into the degree program. If you can see from our year 1 curriculum, you can actually see that it is actually a mixture of both mechanical and electrical electronics module in the curriculum. So it is like getting 2 degrees, mechanical and electrical electronic degree from a university program. As we mentioned earlier on, in the year 2, you will be starting to get access to more aircraft-related modules, such as your aircraft propulsion, fixed wing system 1 and 2, aircraft electrical and cabin systems. Besides completing an individual research capstone project, the student must also going through an 8 months basic practical, applied practical, and structured OJT training program at our partners' facilities for 8 months. As you can see from the duration of this IWSP, for B1 and B2, they are going through different length due to the training requirement. Overall, what we have actually done is we have actually embedded close to 2,400 hours of both B1 and B2 curriculum into the aircraft system engineering program. And as a result, this will actually enable our students who have gone through the degree program to be able to take on what we call a dual certification for both B1 and B2 license. A word of caution for those of you who are keen to join the degree program, as we mentioned earlier on, you need to pass SIA engineering exam in order for you to get the certificate or recognition. However, to pass the SIA engineering exam, you have only 3 attempts per module. And if you fail one of the many modules that you have to pass, you will not be able to get your certificate of recognition. And this is actually mandated by the regulatory body. Without the COR, your training will be 5 years post-degree with any of the SAR 145 organization. So that makes the program even more challenging, because the student going through the degree program, you need to pass both SIT module exams and SIAAC examination. Before I stop the sharing with you, I will actually encourage you to take a look at the video that will follow after this presentation to get a better idea of what the training will be at our partner training facilities. Thank you.